I'm gonna show y'all how to get in the ride Snowcat. So you come to the exit, you come over here, you try to like glitch inside of it. Okay, so if you glitch inside of it, you come over here. You see how you're in here? You press on your body, dances, do dance, any dance. Dance for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop dancing. Come on the side. Run out. Come over here. By this tree right here. Run up this. Hey, come on top of here. You see? Jump on top of this. Right, come up here. You see, turn into Adopt Me Island. You see that? So I need you to jump down. Come over here. If you roll out, you should come over here to the. Come over here. Yeah. Come in the ice cream shop. Come over here.
That's right. The apple cores go into the compost for the worms.
Don't really buy it, but come over here. Press on it. Come back over here. Okay, 1 in 10 chances of getting a gold penguin. And then press buy goldfish. No thanks. Press that again. I'm gonna need you a ball. Grab an ice cream. I need you to buy ice cream. Just put anything on it. And then eat it.
Do your thing, Maddie.
And then go out, and then you should have it when you go out. You should have a neon. Let's see. If this glitch really works. I got this from my country. No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! Okay, let's see if it flies. So it's not flying. I'm gonna try to make it right. Let's see. Let me take that. Okay, so I already know it goes for like get a ride. You can go to any point. So come over here. Jump up here. Come in this corner if you can. Come down here. In this corner. Right here. Press on yourself while you're backwards. Press dance 1. You gotta press the dance 1. Press dance 1. And then come over here, dance for a minute. Right, let it spin 2 times. Come behind the ice cream shop. Run through that tree. Run through the tree. Come back here. Jump on the door. It's gonna make you good. And come sit down. I'm about to call Mama and Melvin gonna come with you. Sit down. Sorry for the interruption. Alright, so you see that little camera thing? So you jump in this car right here. Alright. Sit down. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get out. Like jump up here. Okay, I'm up here. So once you get up there, so once you get up there, I need you come out. Do the thing, same thing. Jump on the black thing, and it should glitch you out. Then your pet should be right. You gotta be holding your pet the whole time. Good job, pet. Press on it. Bro, it only worked 1 time for me. I cannot believe it worked. Bro, make sure y'all like and follow me. It helped me hit 100 followers. And I'm out. Peace.